What are you making to the orange juice? At first, I have bought the fresh orange from the available any markets, and I peel the orange and um, remove the seeds, and it was and the pieces of orange put into the machines and switch on the machines. Then the separate liquid juices are poured into the bottles. How are you thinking that orange is the good healthy food? I am thinking that the orange are the source of vitamin C of the most, and is very tasteful. It gives us vitamin, minerals and proteins and energy. What is your national bird and why? Peacock is the national bird, and it is best for opinion to me because it looks very beautiful colors, and the various colors of greens, violet, purples, yellow, and the different colors of crown of the peacocks. And the peacocks are success to looks the great dances. Others conversations. Hi Rina, how are you? I am sick. I understand to seeing you, so I suggest to you to have an appointment and visit to a doctor for your disease. I hope that you would be recovered. Thank you for suggestions. I am thinking that I shall go to the doctors for visits. Okay, thank you. Others conversations. Hi Mita, why are you not attend in my class for some days? I could not attend in your class and missed the subjects because I was very sick, and I went to the doctors for my disease, and I had been suffering for some days. What is your condition right now? I am good. Okay, thank you.